Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to allow users to enter time and contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Forms plugin. Now, to configure this plugin, all you need to do is click on this Formidable tab here in the sidebar. You can see here this is the Formidable Forms window. We will create a new form, so to do that let's click on Add New. Here in the pop-up, you need to give your form a title time and click on Create. As you can see, this is the builder area and here you simply need to drag and drop the fields or elements you want. Now to add time field, I will simply search for it and then simply drag and drop it to the form builder area. Now let's click on it to configure the field settings. Now here you can adjust time range like this. You can even select the format as per your requirements. You can check and check the automatic width box as per your needs. Under advanced settings, you can find more related settings which you can configure. Once you are done with the changes, simply click on Update button. So this is all about how we can add time field in Formidable Forms in WordPress. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.